Alrighty guys, here is your home away from home. Let's get your juicy adventure started. Let's start with your fridge. So as you can see in here, we do have a power button to turn it on and off, and you've also got your temperature gauge. Now just to remind you, you do need to keep your temperature at high when you're driving, and then you place it down low when you turn off the vehicle. Next up, we have your water intake. Just over here, if you just turn anti-clockwise, you'll be able to fill up your water here by using this hose. One end is cut off and the other end just goes into your tap. Perfect, so with the vehicle we do have a power switch at the back. Once it's turned on, this will power your fridge, your tap and your light. As you can see here, you also have a switch for the fridge which will turn it on, off, and you will need to press and hold this button to use your tap. Now you'll be given a gas canister like so. You'll just need to open up the left side. Please make sure when you place your gas canister in, it is lined up with the gap. Close like so. You do have a lever in the front. And just over here, you will need to turn to the left and click at the very bottom to operate. Clockwise will just set your temperature. Now just under here guys, we have all your cutlery and crockery. Pots, pans, dish brush, everything you could need is right here. Lastly, for your kitchen, we do have the wastewater pipe just below here, as you can see. All you'll need to do is remove the cap below, pull the lever up top, and it will release your grey water. Now when you do that, please make sure you are near a drain. If not, we do have a drain pipe here, which is an extension. You just need to clip it on and extend it to the drain. Now to get to the bed. Firstly, we do have to remove our squabs. We have one on the right side, and we have another one on the left, and also the ones at the back. Once you've removed your squabs, we'll be playing a little bit of Tetris. So firstly, you remove the top piece, the second piece comes up, slightly lift up the table, bring your top piece back together, and then it will just slot into the grooves up the top. Once you've done the right side, you come to the left, and it's as easy as magic. Now we grab the bed base from before. So what we need to do is just lie on a flat surface. Left leg up first. You'll see this one click here, which means it's locked in. Right side, locked in. We then grab your bed base and come around like so. Now that you've got your bed base inside, you just need to line them up with the length at the bottom. You'll also have that on the left hand side, so like so. You line them up, and lastly you will need to lift your table up just to slide it in. Like that. We've got your base in, so now we just need to lock it in place. At the bottom we have a latch, and now your bed is secure. You actually will have the same on the left hand side, so just make sure you lock your latch in. Alright, now that we've got the bed made, let's get the squabs together. So it's very important that the big squabs that are in the landscape position go at the base of the bed and then also at the head of the bed. The other squabs which are in portrait, you just need to make sure they go across the body, like so. So we have this squab and landscape, and it's very important that we have the Velcros facing up so that when we put the portrait ones down, they all stick together. And once you're done having your snooze, you just remove the squabs like so. So the squabs are gone, let's get rid of the base. Unhook the latch like so. Remembering we have one on the other side, which I will do quickly. Once our latches are removed, it's as easy as lifting it up slightly and pulling it away. Once you've done that, we just bring our bed out like so, our bed base. Flip it to a smooth surface. Press one latch in to bring down. Likewise on the other side. With the base out of the way, let's get the rest of the bed done. Top pieces come off, like so. Slightly lift the table to drop down your bottom piece on both sides. Top pieces just flip out. Flip over. And you're done. The bed put back together. We're just missing a few more pieces. So we have our body score up here, which is the portrait. Slides in on the right side. The other portrait piece slides in on the left side. With the remaining squabs, it just placed on the inside wall to store them away. Now underneath your table, you do have your toilet cassette. Just lift your table slightly, remove the latch, and your toilet cassette is removed like so. And just under your bed, you'll find your magnetic curtain. As I pointed out, the great thing is they are magnetic. They just go across the body of the vehicle. So you can get some well-needed rest. Built-in sat-nav, just clicking on map, and then entering your destination. Your usual suspects such as aircon, you've got both cold and heat. You also have great features such as cruise control, lane assist, and Bluetooth. As you can see by the gas symbol, refueling your vehicle will be on the left hand side. And to open the fuel cap, just reach down to your bottom right, pull the latch open. She's ready to be refueled.